you move?
Like the one's been neutered. FCCC people! FCCC! There we go, it has to be a feature. Oh, it's spiky glory.
Filming my crotch.
I think this is like someone coming down the train back to the station. Stop, drop, roll. Guys, see when we go to Green Gate, we probably have to get off here and look at this.
Sorry.
Because we might go to
This
get the
is
train
the
in.
exhibition center. This train is for commuter. Next stop is party.
Yay! Okay, there's a clap.
Look, that was a text. Oh, I got a text. I got a text.
Oh, you got the text. What's it saying? You jumping on our train. Aye. Oh, can I step onto it? But when it starts moving, we can get up again.
There's people on the other car vlog.
So? This one's going round the corner. Oh!
Oh, I'm in corner.
You can just take the head to the armrest and up to the pole. Like all of them. Don't injure myself. Like, yes, all of them. Oh, that was my favorite. Right, let's see. What if I do? She's here alone. Thank you. Hiya! I'm holding on to the earlobe.
Did you see the one on this morning? There's an earphone.
SCCC!
No, Mikey, what is it?
SCCC people, SCCC.
What's the one today?